Hey everybody! I'm here today with a very simplistic and straightforward video of the Nintendo Wii that you see right here. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to get an HDMI connection to a TV in this easy tutorial. So essentially, if you want to get your Nintendo Wii just like this, and you want to create an HDMI connection to the TV, this is the video for you. It's actually really easy to do, and you just need one extra peripheral. So as you can see right here, the standard connection from the Nintendo Wii to the TV is this sort of triple colored cable. It's very typical from like the earlier 2000s, where you would use something like this. I would say maybe potentially even the late 90s to early 2000s, as long as my memory is serving me properly. And you have essentially a yellow cable, which is for video, and then these red and white cables are for audio. One is for mono audio and the other one is for stereo audio, okay? And that's how you connected old video game consoles and any video device to a TV. Now, if you want to connect it through HDMI, there's not really just an adapter that plugs into the Nintendo Wii. You're going to need an additional separate adapter. So you can see right here what I got, and I got this off of Amazon. There are so many that are similar though. So really, just look at the reviews and choose a good one. Do your own research. I'm not going to link this one because honestly, I got it a while ago and I don't really remember which one it was, but just do your own research and kind of figure out which one has good reviews. But essentially, this takes the input of those three colored cables right here. I can't remember if it's called component or composite. It's one or the other. And it converts it to HDMI. So here's what you need. You need one of these. Now, inside of it, you also get a cord like this, which is you need to give it power, okay? Because whenever you're dealing with HDMI with an external device like this, you need to give it power because HDMI requires power. So you're gonna plug this into the unit itself, and then you're gonna plug this into like a wall outlet, like the power brick, similar to how you plug in your phone or your tablet charger, okay? You're gonna plug that in to power it up, okay? And essentially, you're gonna plug these three into this, which is the input. You're inputting the video to the device now. So we're inputting the video and both of the audio cables, as you can see right over here, to this box. Then the output is going to be your HDMI. So then we're going to get an HDMI cable just like this one right here, and we're going to output that same video that's in here. Now we're going to output it via HDMI. We're going to plug that in there to the TV. So you're going to plug this end into your TV, and you're going to get a beautiful HDMI picture, from your Nintendo Wii. You can see this one actually is an upscaler, so it has 720p or 1080p, and essentially it works flawlessly. I got it for my Nintendo 64 because I wall mounted my TV, and I have a couple of HDMI cords that come out from the back of the TV, and I sent them through a pipe into a cabinet. But I didn't send any of these cables, unfortunately. So I have lots of HDMI cables ready to go, but to get to these ports on the back of the TV, I have to actually unmount it and then plug it in, and I don't want to do that. So I just got this unit right here, which allows me to convert it to HDMI, and it works flawlessly with the N64, with the Nintendo Wii, any other system that I end up getting in the future, I'm sure it's going to work flawlessly for it as well. So that's it. If you want to get your Nintendo Wii and create an HDMI connection to the TV, this is an easy tutorial. You gotta get one of these. There are so many different kinds. Just choose the one that has, the best reviews that you trust the most. But I will say, I was surprised at how well it works, how well it upscales it to the right quality. I've actually never switched it. I've only left it at 720p. I've never switched this over, and I've used it, I don't know, maybe like 100 times. But I will change it over. But I'm at 720p, it still looks great. I'm sure at 1080p, it's gonna look even better. Now, obviously, there are some people who are very pro retro system. They want it to look exactly like it did back in the day on a CRT TV and blah blah. That's a different story. You're probably watching this video and you're not. I'm assuming that you want to upscale it, or at least just get it to connect to your modern TV easily with an HDMI cable. You need one of these. It works really well. It's just a little extra piece. It was pretty inexpensive. And that's essentially it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.